Hello guys, this is Ivan and it is Friday. We are trading live with latest X Turbo scalper with GBP USD again. It is most frequent used pair here. You see we have a trailing stop, so we cannot lose anymore. It is put it here, so we either make this amount here. I'm not sure what is amount. I don't know. We can put it here if you want. 400. Let's put it on 400. Or if it moves to take profit, $3,000. So mostly I'm using on GBP USD, sometimes USD JPY, Euro USD or gold. You will get template ready to use for standard pairs and for other pairs. This is trading with my first strategy. I already explained you many times what it is. 15 years ago I invented it and use it. Only I add last year this to even give me more strength and confidence. So I will not explain anymore. E-scalper waiting for Bitcoin to be traded. Here we have FX scalper. Japan index here in the money. It is using future MACD. Also I explained many times what is that. MS Trader 16, you know. And this is very interesting for you. Copper. So here we have free products. Free products. This is Rubicon, but Rubicon AI version even it is using special artificial intelligence to open the trades. You see, this is US 30. You can use it on all assets, all time frames from M5 up. Even we have, you see, 15-minute time frame. Also we have Turbo 7. Yesterday video I explained everything. See, this is a Rubicon V25 standard version, which you can find here on my web page. It is very new. This not standard version is not here on my web page, but you will get as a bonus buying a standard version. So standard version, and you will get this. It is easy when you see arrow and this green. This green is confirmation. Special execution of one indicator, but not, you see, you can turn it off. Even if you trade sometimes only with arrows, you will be in the money, you see. But it is better to have this to confirm your trade. You see, if this you will trade without this artificial intelligence, you will make something or here. But if you will have this, you will see that this is green. You will not enter the trade. So you will save yourself. Here you will enter the trade because everything is green. Green arrow and green, these green lines. So this is the products, and this is Turbo 7. Maybe we have a trade with Turbo 7, I'm not sure. GBP, JPY. Why I don't have it here, I don't know. Let's put it. What is that? I don't know. Maybe I made some mistake. Maybe it is with something else. Or maybe I clicked wrongly. No, it is something else that I even don't know. It happens when you have so many products. No, it is something else. So we will exclude it, close it. But we have with Turbo 7 here, I think, something. You see here, Turbo 7 is the name 7 because you need 7 confirmations, arrow plus 6. So let's see what we have here. We have arrow number 1, this red line number 2, this red line number 3. But this is still not, this turbo trend is not in a red. This is close to 60%, I said. This is fantastic 90%. This is all sell. So if we want to be very safe, this is almost okay. We should wait next candle in 8 minutes, and this turbo trend, you see, must turn in red, because we need 7 confirmation. And only then, guys, you take a trade. When you have all 7, in spite of this, you see, all red, 90% red, these confirmations of trend. But this is not 60, we need 60 or higher. So we need this. It is close. Arrow is here. First red line, second red line. Heikenashi candle is red. But turbo trend candles, which we need to be in red, is not so. I am waiting. But nevertheless, I'm just explaining you the rules. So this is something. This is one strategy, guys. Maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Fantastic strategy. I will explain it in the next video. It is too complicated now to go from the beginning. This is X-Turbo Scalper. This is trend lock system, guys. Fantastic trend system. Last days, weeks, I explained many times. You see, you have arrow, fully not repainted, and you need 4 confirmations before you take a trend trade. So this one, then this blue line should be turbo trend again. This is very important, and this should be over 0 in blue. And then immediately you can take a trade. Like here. Very easy to use. Also here you can find Omega Turbo Trader. Let's put it. So this is indicator and expert advisor. This is indicators. You can only buy indicators or only expert advisor, but this is 2. Why I am all this explaining to you? Because it is Friday, and on Friday we have a special promo. So this promo is valid until the Sunday, and I will give you. It is not for one product. You can buy 1 or free products. So you can choose any product except one. I will tell you which one. What you can see on my webpage and my YouTube, because there are a few products that are not on my webpage. So go to my YouTube, watch latest videos, go to my webpage, choose. So any two products. We have a weekend promo for €89. But this is today. Friday. Tomorrow and on Sunday, any two product 99. So today you can save more €10. And any free products. For example, you want Omega Turbo Trader Indicator Expert Advisor and another product like X Turbo Scalper or Rubicon AI or Turbo 7 or any. So this means Friday, today, for any free products. Today, only 99. Tomorrow and on Sunday, 109. This is Sunday, Saturday. In both versions, you will get, guys, 5 licenses. 5 licenses. This is weekend offer. So just a second. I have a special one. Bonus. And what product is not included? Let's move it. We cannot move it. This, I have to say sorry, but this, where is it? Aha, this is Bitcoin. Let's see, Bitcoin. FX Scalper is included, of course. This is fantastic indicator with future MACD. But do we have Bitcoin? Yes. My strategy number 1, or no-name strategy, it is no-name strategy 15 years ago that I made my daily, weekly, monthly bread. It is not in this promo. So if you choose, let's say, 2 products for €89 or tomorrow and Sunday 99, you will not get this. You cannot choose this. This is the best one. This is the gold. But first 3 people after this video which will contact me will get this as a gift, buying 3 products for €99. So 99 today, 3 products of your choice, expert advisors, indicators, anything, plus this, plus my number 1, what you see here, strategy, you see, in $9,000. So please watch this video really carefully, read the subscription box, don't miss unique opportunity. This is for free if you use the promo today. Bye bye, guys. Have a nice day.